my gosh, everything has changed.
Hey, we're Kevin and Stacy, and we are in the middle of a big adventure. We are building our family compound.
We have some super exciting things happening this week. I cannot wait. My head is about to explode and I'm feeling slightly overwhelmed too. All the things all at once, good, bad, and the ugly.
So they're coming to drill the well, and we're hoping and praying that it doesn't have to go too deep, because it's $18 a foot to drill it, and it's $18 a foot to case it. So we're praying for a shallow well. So the drilling of the well is complete. We just need to do the pumps and everything. They're going to be out here next week to do that. 400 feet. We've got a little over 6 gallons per minute, which is good. Would have liked a little less footage just because it would be cheaper, but electricity should be coming in pretty soon. So want to have that in place so that they can connect everything. Obviously, there's a little bit of stuff left over here, which is actually a lot less than the last well I had drilled. So I'm gonna take the bucket of the tractor, just kind of even this out, smooth it out a little bit, and get it looking good.
Oh my gosh. You have to see what I just found in our dirt. Look at this right here. Those are footprints, and those are not footprints of any, those are bear. They told us bear come through here. Wow. Look, you can see you can actually see, look at this one. You can see the nails. This is my hand right here. My hand doesn't even fit the palm and doesn't even come close.
So this is about 9.5, 10-inch footprint, but it's clearly got 6 toes. It says bears only have 5 toes. I think we got a squatch. That one might only have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clearly 6 toes. We'll get another one here.
Some have 5 and some have 6. We have decided on our plan, and it is completely different than what we thought it was going to be. Everything has changed. Okay, we have some super exciting news and an update. We found a builder.
Yes, we did.
And we decided on our plan too. So we have gone through the process of doing all that. And today,
we're going to pick out our colors. We're going to pick out all the additional pieces that we need.
that is so exciting. We've never done anything like this before. The last house that we built was an addition, and we did all of the work and everything, and this time, just due to time and the costs and what we were going to save and all of that, we've decided to go ahead and do this build and let a builder do a lot of it, and then we'll have some things that we're going to do, but also huge news, we're not doing a barn dough. Yeah. The barn dough was supposed to be saving us money, and it was not. It was actually costing us a tremendous amount more. So
everything we thought we wanted was like, because nobody does it around here, it was more expensive. And when I started pricing out the cost of items for me to do, paying retail at like Home Depot and Lowe's, it was not really worth it for me to do it. And if I'm going to put in that much time and effort and sweat and pain and suffering, I want it to be actually worth something, and right now, with this particular builder, I can get what I need cheaper than if I can do it myself, which is kind of ridiculous, but that's the way it is right now.
So the family compound is moving forward. Bee-Free Acres is officially getting underway, and we are going to pick out some stuff. So we made all of our selections, and it was so much fun, a little overwhelming, but a lot of fun. And now though, we've bought some things for the outside. So we want to make sure that the color is right on the outside. And so we bought some hardy board. We're gonna go ahead and paint a few colors on it, take it out to the property, see what we think. The same with the stain, because that's a big commitment if we don't like it.
I don't really want to spend 80 bucks on figuring out what color we want, but I also don't want to repaint my house either. All right, so I'm just getting my safety gear on so I can take out a few more trees, clear up the view just a little bit more.
I, for one, cannot wait until we're done cutting trees because it makes me so nervous every time he goes to cut trees. I'd almost really rather pay somebody just because of my nerves. And we have a special visitor today. We're babysitting Winnie. This is Winnie. Yes.
Later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own.
Okay, so here we go again. Me, nervous as can be, while Kevin's down there cutting a few more trees. Hopefully this is over soon.
I have always been afraid of changes, but it's shown me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds guard our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh,
Kevin did a great job. You can see a lot more of our view is opening up. My heart is about to pass out because it was nerve-wracking, but now I gotta hurry up and finish a few things and get a few things put away before the rain comes.
Life often presents us with challenges that seem daunting at first glance, just like clearing trees to reveal a breathtaking view. The hard stuff in life can be intimidating and full of uncertainty. Yes, it's through those moments of struggle and perseverance that we uncover unexpected beauty and opportunities. Embracing these challenges despite the initial fear or uncertainty allows us to grow, learn, and ultimately discover the remarkable rewards that await on the other side. So don't shy away from the hard stuff. Instead, face it bravely, knowing that within the struggle lies the potential for something truly remarkable. You might just see a bear.
this day has never kept us bothering.